Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 6 and we are going to learn how to arrange a family favor or a small buttonniere. Okay, so now we are going to see how to arrange a family favor or we can say a small buttonniere. First we will see the materials required. I have a few roses here. This is like these are called foam roses. Yeah. Then I have a few calla flowers arranged on a stick, some artificial decorative material, a leaf, two pearls, a piece of satin ribbon, a safety pin, and some jute thread. Yeah. Okay, so now we will see how to arrange it. Hold one like this. Like this. If it is not standing properly, then apply the green tape so that it can stand at a place. It looks like this first, and then take this arranged calla flowers, arrange it to the side. I mean they should be visible like this. From back side if you see, like this. Yeah. Again okay. Either you can tie these things using a thread, or if you have a good practice, directly drape the floral tape. Yeah. Okay. Now this is artificial grass. Fine. Place your leaf like this. Make sure that every content should be visible. Whatever we are using should be visible. And then arrange the pearls like this. That should appear on the leaf. That looks good. Again, drape the green tape. In the last, take this decorative material and place it in the side. Okay, so it looks like this. We arranged all the flowers. Now cut the extra wire from here. Yeah, okay. Now is the time to I have the jute this here. It looks like this jute yarn, and what you do is you have to wrap the jute and along with that open the safety pin and hold it here and wrap it together. It should be wrapped to the stick, the like this, if you see. Yeah. So this is wrapped. This jute is not important. I am using jute. For some buttonnieres, like we don't use jute. I mean, jute is optional. Again, you can like wrap some the satin cloth also. Sorry, satin ribbon also. That also works out. Here, tie the knot. Okay. Cut the extra and some this bushy threads have come out. Then you can just give a little cut on those like this. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Okay, so our flower is ready, and the last part what we have to do is satin ribbon, fold it into two. Yeah, shiny side down, apply little glue on this. Again apply glue. Yeah. So this is my, I can say family flower, family favor, or a little buttonniere. It looks like this. Thank you for watching. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.